We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and detailed look at the Shark Blanket Hoodie Onesie for adults and kids, also known as the wearable Shark sleeping bag and soft cozy onesie costume from the Ink Art store. This review is designed to help you understand what real users like and dislike about this product, its features, performance, and overall value. If you already own this item, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Shark Blanket Hoodie Onesie stands out immediately for its playful and whimsical design. Shaped like a shark, complete with fins and a tail, it is intended to be both a functional wearable blanket and a fun costume. This dual-purpose approach is a key reason why the product has become popular among both children and adults. Whether used as a sleeping bag, a lounging hoodie, or a costume for parties and themed events, the Shark Blanket Hoodie Onesie aims to deliver comfort, warmth, and a touch of humor. One of the most frequently mentioned positive aspects in user reviews is the softness of the material. Many users describe the fabric as exceptionally soft and cozy, making it ideal for snuggling on the couch, lounging in bed, or even wearing during colder months. The plush texture is a highlight, with several reviewers noting that it feels luxurious against the skin. This level of comfort is a major selling point, especially for those who value warmth and softness in their loungewear. Durability is another aspect that receives mixed feedback. Some users report that the Shark Blanket Hoodie Onesie holds up well to regular use and multiple washes, with no significant signs of wear or tear even after months of use. For example, one reviewer mentioned that their nephew, who is particularly active, has worn the onesie around the house and through several laundry cycles without any issues. This suggests that, for some, the product meets expectations for longevity and resilience. However, there are also reviews that highlight concerns about the construction quality. A number of users have experienced issues with seam splitting or holes developing after limited use. In some cases, these problems appeared after just a week and a half, even when the onesie was not subjected to rough handling. The most commonly reported areas for these defects are the shoulders and the front leg sections. While some customers were able to get replacements, the inconsistency in build quality is a notable drawback and something potential buyers should consider. Sizing is another area where user experiences vary. The onesie is marketed as suitable for both adults and children, and it comes in multiple sizes. Several reviewers recommend sizing up, especially if the wearer is near the upper end of the height range for a given size. Some users found the onesie to be a bit snug or short, particularly in the legs and shoulders, which can make it less comfortable for walking or lounging. Taller individuals, or those who prefer a looser fit, are especially encouraged to opt for a larger size to maximize comfort and mobility. The design itself is widely praised for its creativity and fun factor. Many users purchase the Shark Blanket Hoodie Onesie as a gift for family members who enjoy quirky or unusual items. Children, in particular, seem to love the playful shark motif, and adults have found it to be a hit at parties or as a humorous surprise for friends and loved ones. The ability to use the fins to grab items adds an interactive element that enhances the overall experience. Some users have even used the onesie to playfully scare family members, adding to the product's entertainment value. Warmth is another strong point, with numerous reviewers noting that the onesie provides ample insulation during colder weather. The plush material traps heat effectively, making it suitable for winter use or for those who tend to feel cold easily. The hood and full body coverage further contribute to its ability to keep users warm from head to toe. This makes it an excellent choice for lounging at home, sleepovers, or camping trips where extra warmth is needed. Ease of care is also mentioned positively in several reviews. The Shark Blanket Hoodie Onesie is machine washable, which is a significant advantage for families with children or for anyone who plans to use the product frequently. Some users choose to air dry the onesie to preserve the plush texture, while others have successfully machine dried it without issue. The ease of cleaning adds to the practicality of the product, making it a convenient option for everyday use. Despite these strengths, there are a few recurring criticisms that potential buyers should be aware of. As previously mentioned, the quality of the stitching and seams can be inconsistent, leading to premature wear in some cases. Additionally, the thickness of the material is described by some users as thinner than expected. While the onesie is generally warm, those seeking a very thick or heavy blanket may find it less substantial than anticipated. This could be a consideration for users in extremely cold climates or for those who prioritize maximum insulation. Mobility is another factor to consider. While the onesie is designed to allow users to walk around, some reviewers note that the shortness of the legs and fins can make it challenging to move freely, especially on stairs. This is particularly relevant for taller users or those who plan to wear the onesie while being active around the house. For most, however, the minor inconvenience is outweighed by the comfort and novelty of the design. The Shark Blanket Hoodie Onesie is also popular as a gift item. Many purchasers bought it for children, nieces, nephews, or friends who appreciate unusual and fun products. The reaction upon receiving the onesie is often one of delight, with recipients enjoying both the comfort and the playful appearance. The product's appeal as a unique and memorable gift is underscored by its high ranking in the wearable blankets category and its strong sales performance. In terms of value, most users feel that the Shark Blanket Hoodie Onesie offers good quality for the price. The combination of comfort, warmth, and entertainment makes it a worthwhile purchase for many families. The ability to use the onesie as both a blanket and a costume increases its versatility, and the positive reactions from gift recipients further enhance its perceived value. On the other hand, those who experienced issues with durability or sizing may feel that the product falls short of expectations. The need to size up, the potential for defects, and the thinner material are all factors that could impact overall satisfaction. However, the willingness of some sellers to provide replacements for defective items helps to mitigate these concerns to some extent. Overall, the Shark Blanket Hoodie Onesie is a standout product for anyone seeking a cozy, fun, and memorable piece of loungewear. Its unique design, soft material, and versatility make it a popular choice for both children and adults. While there are some concerns regarding durability and sizing, the overwhelmingly positive feedback on comfort and enjoyment suggests that most users are pleased with their purchase. If you are looking for a gift that is sure to bring a smile or simply want to add a touch of whimsy to your own relaxation routine, the Shark Blanket Hoodie Onesie is worth considering. To summarize, the Shark Blanket Hoodie Onesie excels in comfort, warmth, and entertainment value. Its playful design makes it a hit with all ages, and its soft, plush material is perfect for snuggling. While there are some quality and sizing issues to be aware of, the overall user experience is highly positive. Remember to check the size chart carefully and consider sizing up for the best fit. If you already own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it helps support the channel.